This is a glass, and these are plates. That is a kite, and those are balloons. There is a pencil, and there are pens. That is a cow, and those are goats. There is a candle, and there are lamps. That is a policeman, and those are firefighters. There is a shopkeeper, and there are customers. That is a fish, and those are crabs. There is a painter, and there are paintings. That is a clock, and those are watches. Here is a laptop, and here are headphones. This is a mobile, and these are tablets. Here is a towel, and here are napkins. This is a friend, and these are classmates. Here is a sofa, and here are cushions. This is a shoe, and these are socks. Here is a singer, and here are dancers. This is a leaf, and these are branches. Here is a bowl, and here are spoons. There is a picture, and there are frames.